Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you've been looking for a way to stop those constant messenger alerts, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to mute notifications in the Messenger app so you can enjoy more peace and fewer distractions. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom of the screen. Then, scroll through the menu and select Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. Finally, turn off the toggle for notifications to mute them completely. Select a time duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours, depending on your preference. That's it. You've successfully muted notifications in the Messenger app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more easy tech guides. See you in the next video.